Finestro AI is marketed as an AI-powered platform designed to help automate tasks, generate content, and improve productivity for businesses and individuals. The platform promises to save time and simplify workflows, but the real question is, should you use it before watching this? Now, to be fair, AI productivity tools are a legitimate and rapidly growing category. They can be valuable for brainstorming, content creation, and automating repetitive work when used correctly. What it does well: boost productivity. It can help generate text, summarize information, and automate routine tasks. Easy to use. Most AI platforms are designed with simple interfaces that require little technical knowledge. Where the hype falls apart, AI isn't always accurate. Like any AI tool, it can generate incorrect information, outdated content, or convincing mistakes. It still requires human review. Important documents, business decisions, and factual content should always be checked before use. Pricing may increase over time. Subscription costs and usage limits can change as new features are added. So, should you use Finestro AI? Short answer: yes, if you understand its limitations. If you're looking for an AI assistant to improve productivity, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to produce perfect results without oversight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.